Balmy Pink Bee Balm plants boast fluffy blooms of bright pink that sit atop dark green foliage that is wonderfully aromatic with a mixture of basil and mint tones. This series extends the flowering season with earlier blooming and is mildew resistant. Bee balm plants flourish on a wide range of soils, but do their absolute best with moderately moist, well-drained soils. It is a mid to late season bloomer for butterfly and hummingbird gardens, and deer and rabbits tend to avoid these plants. Monarda can even be planted under black oak trees. To grow your best balmy pink Monarda plants, make sure they receive 4 or more hours of sunlight each day and are fertilized once when transplanting and then one time again every spring. Balmy Pink Bee Balm grows to a mature height of 12 inches tall and spreads 10 inches wide and is hardy in zones 4 through 9. The dried flowers of a Monarda plant produce a fruit that wild birds enjoy, so make sure you don't cut back your plants to the ground until late winter or early spring.